In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unstar elements on Canva. If you've ever favorited a bunch of graphics, icons, or other assets and now want to tidy things up, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove items from your starred collection without deleting anything from your designs. First, open your project so you're inside the Canva editor. You can use any design. The process is the same. Once your project is open, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see the vertical sidebar where all your tools and content live. This is where you access things like elements, photos, and other resources. In that sidebar, find the option labeled Starred and click it. If you have a lot of apps or panels open, you might need to scroll down to see it. Keep scrolling until you spot Starred. It's there even if it's a bit further down the list. Clicking Starred opens a dedicated space that shows everything you've previously marked with a star, so you can quickly get to your favorites. Now that you're viewing your starred elements, it's time to clean up. Hover your mouse over the element you want to remove from this list. When you hover, a small three-dot icon, often called the More menu, will appear on the item. Click those three dots to open the menu. In the menu that pops up, you'll see the Unstar option. Click Unstar, and that item will be removed from your starred collection right away. It won't be deleted from Canva, and it won't disappear from any design where you've already used it. It simply won't show up under starred anymore. Repeat that same hover, three dots, Unstar sequence for any other elements you want to tidy up. Take a moment to review your list and unstar anything you no longer need quick access to. This keeps your workspace efficient and makes your favorites truly reflect the items you use most. If your starred view doesn't update immediately, give it a second or switch to another panel and back. It should refresh and show the changes. And remember, unstarring is reversible. If you change your mind later, you can always re-add an item to your starred collection from the same three-dot menu when you see it again. That's all there is to it. Open your project, head to the starred section in the left sidebar, hover over an item, click the three dots, and choose Unstar. Simple, fast, and a great way to keep your Canva workflow organized.